How to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to subscribe to Amazon Prime, open your browser and just go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Once here, you want to make sure that you're signed into the account, by the way, and after that you'll find an option where it says start your free 30-day trial. So just go to start your free 30-day trial option. As you have done that, you'll be able to see all the benefits that you get with Prime. You have Prime Video, you have got Prime Music and Prime other benefits as well. And here you can see select payment method. So you can use your gift card balance whenever available, or you can choose to add a credit or debit card. So I'm assuming most of you are going to use credit or debit card option. Select that, enter your card details, tap on add and continue, and you will have successfully subscribed to Amazon Prime. This way you can subscribe to Amazon Prime. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.